How to recover deleted chats on Chat GPT. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you are able to recover your deleted chats on Chat GPT. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is head over to chatgpt.com, previously known as OpenAI. So from here, what you need to do is go ahead and open it up. And if you tap on your profile icon on the top right corner, head over to settings. And then if you want to delete a chat or delete some specific chat you'll find on the system. And if you want to clear the memories of the chat, you just have to visit the settings. So you just confirm deletion. And once you have done that, you just want to head over to a new tab and search for OpenAI status and head over to their website. And here you will be able to see all of the past incidents, and if there are any server issues or if there are any problem, it will be updated on this website. And once you have done that, you can just head over back to your browser and open up a new tab. Then click on the three lines to head over to your settings. And from here, head over to privacy and security, then head over to clear delete browsing data. Now stay on the basic tab and then unselect these two. Then just click on clear your browsing data and then click on delete data. Now once you have done that, you just want to head over back to your ChatGPT's website. And once you have head over to there, it will automatically sign you out. So you just have to log back in using your account. Just make sure that everything is correct. I'm just going to continue with my Google account. And once you log back in, your chat should be back right here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.